Today we're diving into a classic and versatile knitting pattern, the checkerboard stitch. It's perfect for blankets, scarves, or even sweaters, and once you get the rhythm, it's super satisfying. You will need medium weight yarn, knitting needles of the appropriate size. Today, I will be knitting with this. First, cast on a multiple of 8 stitches. For this example, I'm casting on 16 stitches. This ensures that the squares of the pattern align evenly. The checkerboard pattern is an alternation of blocks of knit and purl stitches. Here's the pattern. Rows 1-3, knit 2, purl 2 across the row. Rows 4-6, purl 2, knit 2 across the row. Repeat these 6 rows to create the pattern. Tip: use a stitch marker if you're worried about losing your place. And don't worry if it feels unusual at first, the rhythm will come naturally. Let's knit the first row together. Knit 2, purl 2 across the row. After the third row, you'll see the first squares forming. Then in rows 4-6, we switch the order. Purl 2, knit 2. The last stitch, the edge stitch, is always purled. Turn your work and continue knitting according to the pattern. Here we have 2 purl stitches followed by 2 knit stitches, and we continue in this order until the end of the row. Don't forget about the last stitch, it's always purled. Turn your work and continue knitting according to the pattern. Turn your work, and now, to create the checkerboard pattern, we're not following the previous stitches. Where there were knit stitches, we purl, and where there were purl stitches, we knit. Continue this way for 3 rows. Do the stitches look uneven? That's normal. After blocking, everything will even out. Just make sure to keep your tension consistent. When you're happy with the length, bind off loosely to maintain elasticity. Weave in the ends and your checkerboard pattern is complete. I've knitted 3 more rows for better visualization. It looks even better on larger projects, of course. Thank you for knitting along with us. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and share your creations in the comments. Happy knitting and see you next time.